Good evening, everybody. I'm Brad Means. Thanks for joining us. Jenny is off tonight. Coverage you can count on begins with a bill at the State House reigniting a debate in South Carolina schools. Lawmakers filed a measure that would decide who can use certain restrooms and locker rooms. This comes after a high-profile student case that drew national attention. Caroline Yaffa has more.
You may remember a controversial case involving a transgender student who went to court over the right to use the restroom that matched their gender identity. Well, that case helped fuel an effort by lawmakers to turn a one-year budget proviso into permanent law. In the end, the court ruled in the student's favor, allowing that one student to use the restroom consistent with their gender identity. But lawmakers say they filed similar bills repeatedly, but this one has tightened language to essentially make sure this doesn't happen again.
I never in my lifetime thought you and I'd be talking about having to have a bill for something as simplistic as this.
The bill would require students to use restrooms and locker rooms based on their biological sex, not their gender identity.
We just want to apply some common sense. As I look around, you see, men's bathrooms, women's bathrooms, and gender neutral or whatever you want to call, in restaurants and everything. It's not that complicated.
I think it's a bill that proposes a problem that does not exist in South Carolina. Transgender folks are less than 1% of the population. And so you're essentially attacking an already marginalized, very small community.
The ACLU says this bill could cause more issues for transgender students.
Trans kids are prone to higher rates of bullying and harassment in school settings, and so this would further alienate those kids within their classes and friend groups and social groups.
Sponsor Representative Tommy Pope wants this bill to have a hearing in 2026.
We want to represent all citizens. Hopefully we'll have a hearing that can be meaningful, not just an opportunity for everyone to protest, so to speak, and make it logical to move on.
The bill, if passed, would only impact South Carolina K-12 public schools and public institutions of higher learning. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.